wiggle on this does anything. Go back plug. Start everything over. Push, get nothing on here. So we'll get this back in there. Sounds like it's intermittently solid. Now, 24 volts. Blower's kicked on. It's very intermittent. I think it's the back of this board. I'm going to swap this board out and see if that fixes the problem. And cut off again. Alright, so we swapped out the board. Just looking at the back of the board. Definitely got some discoloration. The 12 prong connector right there got a little black spot, and that was on the one of the secondary lines of the transformer coming in to the board, so that may have been the issue. We're gonna go and test it out now. I think it was the connection on the back of the board. I've heard about it happening in Goodman's. The first time with it happening on a train. Rollers on, flame is still kicking on.